So you watched the last video on similar triangles. Now it's time to start getting into some problems. How can we find a missing side of a triangle if we know we have similar triangles? I'm Mr. Boyle. Are you ready?
Hi guys, Mr. Boyle here again. Hopefully you are only watching this video because you've already watched video number 1 of this series on similar triangles, and now you want to see the kinds of problems that you're going to have to solve from worksheet number 2. So here is a typical problem, guys. We have 2 triangles here. I've marked that they're similar. You can tell that by the statement. Now remember, the statement is also telling you which sides match up with which sides. When you have similar triangles, the sides are proportional. So to solve for a missing side, we are going to set up a proportion. Now, the first thing I notice is I see the x that we're looking for is right here. I'm going to put that at the top. That's what caught my eye. The question now is, which side on this triangle does this side match up with? Well, let's take a look here. The simplest thing to do that you're going to do, so you never make a mistake here, guys, is use the statement. So if I look at the statement, I see JK is JK, the second and the third letter, and I'm looking at JL, the second and the third letter. Now, if you look down at the picture, you see JL is the 8, so that X is going to go with the 8. Now we come back over here, and now we got to do it all over again. We need another side to the proportion. Luckily, on this big triangle here, I see there's another side given to us, line segment JN, which is 9. Now the question is, what does the 9 go with? Well, you could probably guess. There's only one other number over here, but let's just double check. Line segment JN. JN, that's your first and your third letter. Your first and your third letter here are MJ, which sure enough is that 5. So that's what we're going to go with. Okay. Believe it or not, to me, this is the hardest part of the problem, making a true proportion based on the statement. We just did it. Now all we got to do is what I've taught you before, solving that proportion, which you know the simplest way to do that is to cross multiply. I've already got that here. 5 times x, 9 times 8 is 72. I already did that math for you. Last step is to now divide by 5. And after you divide by 5, no, it doesn't work out perfect, but it's not that bad either. 14.4. So our final statement is going to be that line segment JK is 14.4 units long. I'm going to post another video that has a couple mistakes that people make. So you should be looking up. There should be a blue arrow popping up with a link to another video. Please feel free to watch that video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.